Why birds tweet? By Vaishnavi Puripadi. Centuries ago, birds couldn't tweet. No. Birds were just for decoration in the sky. Birds were sad they didn't have their own sound. There was a bird named Apple. He was red like a ruby.
It's the end of the day anyway.
Apple had a meaning with all the other birds. Declared, we all want a sound of our own. All of us will go to Mother Earth and ask her if we could have our own sound. All the birds went to Mother Earth and asked her if they could have their own sound. Mother Earth said yes because the birds were always nice to the people. Mother Earth thought of a sound that no other animal had. She gave them a tweet. The birds liked the fun. They were so happy. The birds all said the new sound. They all said thank you to Mother Earth. That's how birds got to say tweet.